How to create a PowerPoint presentation in Canva. If you want to create a professional PowerPoint presentation with images and text, this video will show you how to design it in Canva and export it as a PowerPoint file. First, open canva.com and sign into your account. Now, click on Create a Design and search for Presentation. Select the presentation size you want. For most users, the 16:9 format is recommended for a standard widescreen PowerPoint presentation. Next, choose a template from Canva or start designing from scratch using different layouts. To add your own images, go to Uploads. Click Upload Files and select images from your computer. Once uploaded, drag and drop your image into the slide. You can also edit the text, change fonts and colors, and customize the design according to your preference. After finishing your presentation, click Share, then select Download. Choose Microsoft PowerPoint, PPTX, as the file format and download your presentation. That's how you can create a PowerPoint presentation in Canva. If you find this video informative, click on Like, Share, and Subscribe for more videos.